Cake Factory in Farming and Friends. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Cake Factory in Farming and Friends. So let's get started. First, locate the Cake Factory, explore the game map and locate the Cake Factory or production facility. Factories are usually represented by specific buildings or structure within the game. Number 2. Enter the factory. Once you find the Cake Factory, approach the entrance and enter the building. Some games may require you to click or interact with specific object to enter. Then understand the interface. Familiarize yourself with the interface inside the Cake Factory. There may be different machines or stations for various steps in the cake making process. Number 4. Follow instruction. Pay attention to any instruction or prompts provided in the game. There might be buttons, levers, or interactive elements that you need to use to operate the cake making machine. Then gather ingredients. Some games require players to gather specific ingredients to produce cakes. Check if there are fields, gardens, or other locations where you can obtain the necessary items. Number 6. Operate machines. If there are machines involved in the cake making process, operate them according to the game's mechanics. This may involve clicking buttons, pulling levers, or interacting with the machines in a specific order. Once the cake making process is complete, collect the finished cake from the factory. There might be designated area or collection point for the final products. Now select payment method. Choose a payment method. Click suppose various payment options including credit cards and PayPal. Now complete the purchase. Confirm your order details and complete the purchase. If you are using PayPal, you may be redirected to the PayPal website to complete the payment. After completing the purchase, you can track your order through your Picklink account. Sellers usually provide tracking information once the order is shipped. Now, depending on the game's objective, you may sell the cakes for in-game currency or use them for other purposes within the game. Some games allow players to upgrade or expand their factories for increased production. Check if there are options to improve your factory efficiency or capacity. That's how you can use Cake Factory in Farming and Friends.